What's up, guys? I'm back with you here, opening up some mystery packs. So just a little something out of the ordinary. I was at a convention in which there was some mystery packs. Usually nothing good, but I thought I'd share the excitement with you guys. I have several of these I'm probably going to open up over a series of videos. But this little guy here is basketball, and I thought I'd just go ahead and see if we can come up with anything cool here. Let's see what we got. Oh, interesting. Lunch bag style. Oh. Okay. So we've actually got quite the interesting spread here. I noticed right away there's a 93 draft packs package within, which makes me immediately think that the deal on a random pack was not probably too much of a scam. But so we got a Derek Coleman, Tony Campbell, Alvin Robertson, Glenn Rice, James Worthy, Eric Lechner. So we already got some Fleers, different years of Fleer in there. Kevin Duckworth, Loy Vaught. Here's an NBA Hoops rookie of Anthony Tucker. Here's a NBA Hoops milestone consecutive game streak AC Green. Milestone 56 points Glenn Rice. So really, I mean, for the deal, not a bad setup. Kevin Rankin. Dormus Bennerman. Henry James. Jack Sikma. Darrell Walker. There's a lot in here, too. Now we got some upper deck stuff starting to show up, if you didn't notice. Larry Kristoyak. Steve Henson. Some skyboxes. Mark McNamara. Greg Kite. Greg Grant. Reggie Theus. Chris Dudley. Ken Norman. Back into the tops cards. Mike Ioziolino. I never even heard of him, but Johnny Newman. We got some Robert Horry. Sharif Abdur-Rahim. We got a Topps tip-off card with some like little bit of an like a platinum inlay of Austin Crocier. Todd Murphy skybox card. Trent Tucker skybox card. Robert Parrish. There you go. Jim Jackson Topps Stadium Club. Moses Malone. There we go. Topps Stadium Club. 93 NBA Finals. Bulls stampede to third NBA championship. That's kind of cool. And then 93 Suns make second NBA Finals appearance. So, yeah, actually not a bad deal for like I believe that those little packs were like $1 for all that stuff. So, and we didn't even get into this. Let's pop this bad boy open and just see what we got here. So we got a Adonis Jordan, Curry Jackson, Darnell Mee, Sharon Mills, Brian Edwards, Gary Trost, Nick Van Exel, Jerry Walker, Rex Walters, and Evers Burns. So I mean, nothing like super crazy out of this world, but I'm not upset with $1. I mean, it provides some entertainment nonetheless. Appreciate you guys being here again. I'm gonna do some more packs like that from I got 3 footballs and a baseball coming. Go ahead and do a like, follow the page. That'll help me out with continuing forward on the videos. I appreciate it, guys.